Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect and integrate Slack with N8N. To automate your workflows, let's get started. Step 1 is to open N8N and the Slack node. Log into your N8N instance and then click the plus button to add a new node. In the search bar, type Slack and then select the Slack node. After that, choose an action for Slack. Once the Slack node is added, select an action such as send message, create channel, and close channel. Choose the action that fits your automation needs. Step 3 is to set up Slack API credentials. To connect Slack to N8N, you'll need an API credentials. Option 1 is to unoauth 2 for easy integration. Click Create New Credentials under the Slack node and select OAuth 2 and click Connect icon. From the new account window, open a sign into your Slack workspace. Click Allow to grant permission to N8N. Your Slack account is now connected. Option 2 is to manually gate API access token. If you prefer to use an access token, follow these steps. Go to the Slack APIs page and then click New App and select from scratch. From there, enter the app name and select your Slack workspace. Under the feature, go to Auth and Permission, scroll down to Scopes and add the required permission like Chat Write and Channels Manage. Click Install App to the workspace. Paste the token and to N8N Slack API credential field. Step 4 is to test your Slack automation in N8N. Configure the Slack action like send a message to a channel. Click Execute node to test it. If successful, you'll see the action executed in your Slack workspace. That's it. You've successfully connected Slack and N8N, and now you can automate your workflows. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.